Hey, how's it going out there, beautiful? Today, we're doing the unicorn of this channel, which is the What I Eat in a Day video, because, well, let's just say that I had the whole week planned out, and life was like, girl, not happening, none of this. Clear your calendar, because we're not doing any of it. That's what life said. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm eating and what I'm doing. Today is the first day of e-learning for the kids, for school and from home, e-learning, right? So it has been interesting, to say the least. So on this particular day, I actually had some tofu scramble. I love to eat tofu scramble, and every time I make it pretty much the same. I use some pepper, an onion, and extra firm tofu, and I cook that on very high heat for a couple minutes until I feel like it's dry enough and not soggy anymore. And yeah, I add in some turmeric for color, some white pepper. I would use black pepper, but someone dropped my glass pepper shaker and it shattered everywhere the night before. So yeah. And then I'm also adding in some cilantro, however you pronounce it. And then I also want to put some cayenne pepper in there for a little extra heat, you know. And yeah, stir. Did I put garlic and onion? Yeah, I definitely put garlic powder and onion powder. Maybe I skipped it out of the video, I don't know. But yeah, there it is. And of course, adding a little extra something. I sometimes do ketchup, but I just put sriracha sauce in this batch. Okay, and then you just you blow it like a baby, and then you eat it, and that's how you eat breakfast, guys. All right, no, yeah, and then I do whatever, check emails and whatnot. Next. So I am getting some work done right now, and I got a little snackish. It is almost lunchtime, but before then I decided to make some dates with peanut butter. If you've never had dates with peanut butter, you are missing out. Let me tell you, okay? I've already had 2, 3 maybe while I was actually making them. So, pitting them and put the little peanut butter, so good. If you have like little chocolate chips, it would be so good to put like little chocolate chips, because you know what this tastes like? This actually tastes like Reese's peanut butter cups. So good. So yeah, this is like a little good replacement for like a little candy if you kind of just feel like having a little snack. There it is. So yeah, that's what I'm having, and I am about to start lunch in like, let's look at my pretend watch. Couple minutes. So what happened with school, Mia?
I can't do it because it's very hard to log in and stuff like that. So I'm just doing ABC Math, because ABC Math is kind of like my school, but not that much, because you could watch TV, and my school never ever lets me watch TV. But sometimes when we're doing lunch inside of the classroom, we get to watch some movies and TVs and stuff like that. So it sounds kind of the same, but yeah.
What are you snacking on?
Some chips.
Ooh, yummy.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want?
Hello, sir.
What?
What are you up to?
Doing a meeting with Miss... I don't know how to spell her name. I don't know how to spell her.
You look so cute.
Recording me. Stop recording me.
Here with my twinsy, checking up on school to see if he's actually doing his work or not. You know what I mean? A little too quiet.
I'm doing work.
Or is he?
I'm doing work.
Well, maybe not right now because I'm bothering him. All right.
Yeah, I'm not. Not right now.
What is this class here?
This is language arts.
Did you only know that because you saw the name of it right there?
No. She said in the beginning, she did an entire slideshow of what she was supposed to do. Why are you so suspicious?
Suspicious?
Why are you so
Me?
Why are you so suspicious of me?
Oh, you know, teens.
I know what things are.
Bye! Bye! What are you growling at, my little honey bunny? What are you growling at? What are you growling at?
I said the weather looks very bad today. It's about to pour, I think, and it's very cloudy.
She's so soft and she smells so yummy.
And guess what, guys? If you guys never heard about Alexa, well, we have it right now. Alexa, say something.
Some things I say are funny, and some things I say are useful. To hear some of the
Guys.
things I can say, just ask. What can you
That's
say?
Alexa.
Oh, look, she's tired.
She's tired.
She's so tired. Falling asleep, she's so tired. Are you tired too?
Lick me.
Look at her face. She's like, what? No. Not doing that. In front of them. You know what you guys should do? And Indy is telling you to do it. Not me. Indy. Indy's telling you to do it. Indy's saying, hey guys, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's channel. Right, Indy? Right? Oh my, you are such a lazy bum. She's such a lazy bum.
I was trying to say that, Mom.
Right?
I was going to say
You
that.
could tell them.
You already said it. Don't cover my mom. Guys, I make my own channel, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channels too.
She doesn't have her own channel. No, she doesn't.
I heard that.
No, she doesn't.
No, guys, help me! This monster's I'm trying to tell you something.
Don't say nothing.
Yes.
Don't say nothing.
Yes. If you guys want to see us make the food, just tell us, right, Mom? Down below right now, because we're going to make food in a couple of seconds. Bye, friends.
When I don't have a full scheduled out day, exactly how it needs to go, I just don't know what to do with myself. Like, what do I do? What do I do? What do you do when you have like not a busy day? I don't even know.
I have fun.
I can't even play Fortnite because we ran out of batteries.
No.
Next, I am making lunch, and I decided to just make like a vegan chicken noodle soup almost. I got some onions and not onions, mushrooms in there, and I got them nice and brown. And then I added some soy sauce for umami and some vegetable broth. I like to use the Better Than Bouillon base, and then some water in there. You know, obviously because we're making a broth, right, for our soup. And this doesn't have to be any particular set of ingredients. You can do whatever you want. If you decide to make this, I put onion powder, garlic powder, a little extra of the vegetable broth stuff because, you know, a little extra flavor, a little extra soy sauce, and then some vegetarian noodles is what they're called, vegetarian vegetable noodles or something like that from the Asian market, but they are vegan. And then some little pieces of chopped tofu that were left over from earlier, and this stuff soaks into the tofu so good. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention that I added some frozen veggies in there. What's your favorite part?
Definitely the water thingy-majiggy.
The liquid?
Yeah. I don't really like the real soup because it's all plain and stuff like that.
The noodle?
Yeah, it's
It's
so
plain.
Yeah.
I see.
That's why I wanted to have some cheese, like some vegan cheese.
Put that in there. It tastes like a regular noodle.
Yeah, plain.
It just doesn't seem to absorb that much flavor because the broth is really good.
What's a broth?
The liquid. But the noodle didn't like really absorb much. I don't really feel like eating right now. I'm just super thirsty.
I'm thirsty too.
Yeah, I'll get you something to drink. Oh, and the broth kind of tastes like chicken noodle soup. It is pouring. So I am like, you know, kind of starting to reach like a plateau. So I got my little energy drink going because I don't normally drink coffee or many like caffeinated things, but there's some days that I need to push through, like today, and it's been a really, really slow day. And then like a really tiring day. And on top of that, it's like all rainy outside. So that doesn't help with like energy. And right now I'm actually snacking on some little tomatoes and some little olives. I know they look like grapes. They're purple, so cute. Yeah, I'm just snacking on that. I was also again snacking on some dates. And I am getting rid of some ghost followers on my Instagram because I noticed that my engagement is pretty low. I know, a bunch of technical Instagram stuff, but yeah, just been like kind of deleting. Hopefully Instagram doesn't get mad at me for deleting a bunch of followers. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, just like a bunch of people who follow me for no reason at all because they're not like maybe real people. I don't know what's going on, or they follow like thousands of people, so there's no way they could see your content or whatever. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of research about Instagram and I've been watching a lot of videos, informative stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And in a little bit I'm gonna start dinner. So yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna make some pizza for dinner. So for dinner on this particular day, we are making some buffalo cauliflower pizza. So good. Some Frank's red hot sauce into the pan, some water to sort of like steam everything and soften it, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a dash of cumin. Stir this bad puppy up. Oh, and I also added butter in there, but I guess the camera wasn't rolling when I did. So I just also added some more hot sauce and a bit of a flour water roux mixture to thicken everything up for our pizza sauce. So I'm just spreading the sauce on the side that Jaden and I will be participating in because this stuff is like pretty hot for Mia. And also it seems like a little tiny pizza, but we're also having tater tots on the side, and the kids have been like pretty much snacking all day, so I know they're not gonna eat like a huge amount. Also my crust, don't make fun of my crust because I use Pillsbury crust because I kind of like was in a pinch and was like, oh, what do I have? That's what I use. I forgot to buy a good actual pizza dough. So out of the oven, and I'm just sprinkling on some of my DIY ranch dressing, which is basically just vegan mayo, some pickle juice, dried dill, parsley, and garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Oh, of course, and a little dash of salt, and it comes out so yummy. I've used this in a lot of my recipes actually. And then of course you drizzle it with a bit of green onion and voila. This is what it looks like cut up. I almost forgot to show you guys kind of like me eating it and giving you guys an outro because it's just so good. So it is already very late and it's super dark, so yeah. Here we go.
Who are you?
Wow.
You know, Mom?
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm. Give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down below if you guys want a recipe for this. Because I usually just wing pizza. But I'll make a recipe if you guys are interested. Check out Mia's yummy pizza. Go ahead, show them in there. Look at her delicious pizza.
It's actually very good. And you guys
It has gardine in it.
And you guys want to see me take a bite? Okay, 3, 2.
We have tater
1.
tots too.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Ooh, what do you think?
But the crust is kind of hard.
Yeah. Yeah, that's I didn't make the crust. The crust was not from scratch. I wanted to buy some dough from the pizza shop last night because I knew I wanted to make some pizza today, but I totally forgot. Anyways, so yeah, I did what I made do with a Pillsbury pizza crust that I had. Made do. All right, guys, so I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. I will see you guys next week with some delicious, healthy dinner recipes. And thank you so much for watching. Here, have a bite.